Hello everyone, hi, this is softmemeware here in opposite side, and let's get into the product YTVelocity. Firstly, thank you that you are giving your valuable time to watch my YTVelocity review video. So this product is all about YouTube ranking and Google ranking. So the next thing is I want to tell you something more, like you can be given you can get the product with my bonuses from this page. You just need to click the video description link. From there you will be redirected to this page and you can purchase the product from this page and the bonuses will be yours. So before showing you the bonus, let me clear you that this product costs $13 and you can get the product by clicking on this button, by going through their sales page, and you can get my bonuses. So let me show you now this product. This is a very good product. But firstly, let me clear you, I have gone through it. I have gone through some of the videos given inside it, and this is an overvalued product in my opinion. So let me show you why I am saying this kind of stuffs about this product. So inside the start here, the two videos, normal videos, usual videos, like the introduction videos, and inside the main training you can go through the topics like overview, like the setting up your YouTube channel, don't need to put my face on camera, required tools, how fast to come up with content ideas, like from every aspect they have tried to convince you, they have tried to taught you everything, like each and every aspect, not like a compacted course, stick to the course, but like from every aspect they have touched everything you need to rank on YouTube, you need to get A's in YouTube, like everything. So inside the case studies, there are 4 genuine case studies are also available. You can go through it. I have gone through it already. And inside the module 4, the conclusion or next step is given. And inside bonus, let me show you, if I can show you inside the bonus, there are 4 bonuses: OLSP traffic domination and YouTube channel how to explode, lazy YouTube method, 10x commission machine. And inside more bonus like the unannounced bonus, or let me clear you the bonus, the wealthy affiliate, the 27k blueprint PDF, instant affiliate link up, affiliate system, that is given. And also inside the resources section there are so many resources, but inside the bonus there are difference inside bonus and resources. Maybe you have to pay for the resources, they are not at all free, but for bonus they are totally free. You can get the bonuses by purchasing this product. Okay, so there are so many resources, but good resources, some suggestion for some good solo ad vendors, also Udemy ad vendors, and some funnel pages maybe. So that is the thing about this product. And if you want to if you are really desperate to get ranked on YouTube or Google, you need to get this tool. I strongly recommend this. After going through it, I strongly recommend it. Okay, so that was the tool, and this tool is very detailed. That is a good thing. And each and every video is big. It's big, not as small as 2 or 3 minutes or something like that. Each and every video is very detailed, very lively video, like totally live screen will be shown up inside the videos. That is a good thing. And also live proven method that has been given inside this product or pack. So now let me show you from this page the additional stuffs, like you will be given 365 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. That is an amazing and surprising thing. And also, and when I am saying it, I really mean it, you can get refunded from the platform you are purchasing the tool, the Warrior Plus platform. Okay, so this product costs approximately $13, and from the June 4th 9 AM EST your product will be ready. Like you can get the product the beautiful morning of 9 o'clock, the New York morning. The product will be available, and these are the descriptions about this tool, and these are the topics. I have also covered up the bonuses here. You can check out the bonuses here. Sorry, I need to write here the affiliate system. I forgot to write here. So that is my word. I strongly highly recommend this product if you just need to get ranked inside YouTube or Google. My English is not good. Okay, I have to think about it, what I am saying, my grammar is correct or not. Okay, so these are the sales funnel, and also this is the free bonus. Like, let me now introduce the bonus firstly. Okay, so first bonus is totally free bonus. You can ask me anything inside, the question should be inside make money online niche from my Facebook softmemeware page. So the next thing is, the product is all about YouTube videos or video related. That's why I have tried to give my best bonus to rank your video, to make your video, or to help with your videos. So the first video is sales video template. 3 template will be given to you. You will be available with 3 templates. Bonus number 2 is the video alchemy. Video alchemy is a software that can make you happen the videos like with accent, with language, with translator. And bonus number 3 is the video viral meme creator. So bonus number 4 is the sales video factory. Sales video factory is also about creating sales videos. This is a software. And bonus number 5 is the Vidmonial 2.0. that is also a software. Bonus number 6 is the video script template. And bonus number 7 is the viralmobi.io. that is all about getting mobile traffic inside your post, inside your content. Okay, so some vendor bonus are also available. You need to purchase the product. You need to just purchase the product from any affiliate or from any other place. You will be given the vendor bonus that comes by default. You don't need to purchase from here. You can purchase it from anywhere. So inside upsell bonus, if you purchase any upsell from this tool, as usual, you will be given the mega bonus pack. Inside mega bonus pack, I want to incentivize with mega stuffs like 50 plus image product, song product, loop musics, like doodle character product, and inside 300 product, the software, the plugin, the PLR products are available. So that is the thing. Don't forget to click on this button to get redirected to the sales page, and from there you can purchase the product. After purchasing, don't forget to check out your purchase history option. From there you will be available with this button that is named as access affiliate bonus. So just click on that to get access to your bonus. So that is the thing, and that was the product. I am now signing out for this video, and thank you again that you are giving your time. So bye bye.